All I need is some sugar. That'd be good. Perfect lemonade. Okay. All right. Where you at, Miss Rosie?
Please put it in there for me. Hopefully, I don't want the.
Let me see.
I don't want the pen to show.
Right. So you just pick up the edge, stick it through, then you pretty much bringing it to the front, and you're only pinning it to the top piece of fabric.
Not okay.
Yeah, just some kind of piece. Right.
Get the other one out.
You got it? Is one in there?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Ooh. Got it? Uh-huh. There we go. That's good.
Okay.
So now you go to this one. Just, don't, yep, just lift this one. Just grab here.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, and grab, lift up. Awesome. There you go. Now it's a little heavy, so this your top one. I would say that's enough. Same thing, just lift this one. There you go. One more. One more. Perfect. Now you just got to stand back and see if it's even.